Hey there, thanks for joining me. My name is Veronica and I'm with BloodCare. Today I'm going to show you how to submit a form to request blood bank testing. Once you have already identified your patient and collected and properly labeled the sample, you need to make sure now you're using the correct form to submit your sample to BloodCare. If we act as your transfusion service, you need to be using the Crossmatch Account Services Request Form, and it looks like this. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but we will go through each section to make sure you have completed this properly. So the first section that we're going to go over is the patient demographics section. A quick tip here is that you can use a pre-printed chart label that includes the majority of this information. This helps you to prevent errors when handwriting information. Please make sure that you include the collection date and time and also the requesting facility. If we go across to the next section, you need to indicate the order priority status. If you need the stat, routine, or ASAP. Also, if you're indicating ASAP or routine, please indicate a date and time that you would like the products delivered. The next section is the transfusion and pregnancy history. If this information is not readily available, it is acceptable to not include it. However, it is very helpful when testing the sample. The next section includes the products requested and the testing needed by the physician. Please make sure and check mark the appropriate test and then also indicate the quantity and the product requested. Please remember to check to see if the physician has included any special instructions for the products. This can include irradiation, sickle cell negative, or CMV negative. This information can be located right over in the next section. You want to make sure that if you need infusion sets to actually transfuse the products, please indicate it here. Most facilities do include or have their own on-site blood administration sets. However, we always have them available should you need some or run out. Finally, the last section includes an area for PreTransfusion Criteria. We need to know why you're ordering a red cell or platelet product. Please indicate the hemoglobin or hematocrit for the patient for any red cells ordered. Also indicate the platelet count for any platelets ordered. Now that you have completed filling out the form, you want to make sure and do a double check of all the information for accuracy. Also remember, the form is a duplicate form and the yellow copy should stay with you while the white copy accompanies the patient sample. Please call 817-412-5740 for a sample pickup or use a courier of your choice. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.